Yes, guys, welcome back. Thanks for watching to this point. Now, this is the point where you might want to drop your review if you are enjoying this course so far. So, yes, this was our last scene. We created this in the last scene. This is the time where we don't do continuous scene, and instead we just create a new scene. Okay, just create a new scene instead. Okay, so we're going to be doing that now. This is the only voiceover part we have left, so we're going to do create a new scene, right? And I'm just going to click on, instead of continue from last line or blank, I'll just choose a template. Okay, choose a template, go to action. That's what I want. So yes, this is the one I want. Okay, so this one, you can see how easy this scene was. Okay, so just do see you. See you. Okay, so we'll just make that to be on straight line. All we need to do is to put our cursor there. We'll do see you. Okay, we want to move our cursor here. Left mouse click down and just drag that out. Okay, drag that out. Okay, we'll have it like that. We also want to change this. Okay, see you inside. Okay, so we want to drag that out again also. Okay, we want to drag that out. Just move it wherever we want it to be. Okay, so you can see we had this extra space which we don't want, so we're going to slice that out. Delete and click, press your delete on your keyboard, okay, to delete that. And now let's just play this scene. See how it looks. I would see you inside. Okay, so you can see there was something that happened which was strange. I actually want the man to run across this text, so I'm going to click on him and add a motion path to the man. Okay, now the motion path, and for the first time we're going to be using a left to right motion path, so let's do that. Line again. Okay, and this is what we want to add. Okay, so click, right? So now that we have that, so just click on the man. He has an extra motion path. Want him to run out of the scene, right? Same time, we want this man to be in front and not behind the text. Let's see how the tool looks anyway. Let's play it and see. I will see you inside. Okay, so you can see how cool that looks. You can see how cool that looks. So not complicated at all. The man jumped in. Okay, we had him jumping
I
in.
would see you inside.
So I want to add something extra with this. So if I had a running audio, let me click and see, and I can add kind of audio to it, to this particular scene. I'm just do running. Okay, yeah, I think sound effects, yes, that's where I want to go, not background music, sound effects. Okay, do running. Okay, so that he has the effect that is running. So let's just play this one and see. Okay, so we can add that effect, right? So I've added that effect now, and you can see it's quite long. I want it to be quite long. Okay, the short effect does not need to keep on going. First of all, I want to reduce it to where the man dropped, just there. I want to cut it out just here too also. You can see I aligned it up. You can see, if you look at, you see there's a blue line. There's a blue line going on there, so I moved in. See office worker, so that's where I aligned it to. Right, so just move it a little bit like so, and then I'm going to cut it off just about here. Okay, this way I'm going to split it here and get rid of that one by deleting. Okay, and now if I preview it, let's see how it's going to look.
I would see you inside.
Okay,
I would see you inside.
you can see it looked like it was running already before it landed, which I did not want. So okay, so another thing I can do to make him start running from this side, or no, I'll just move this somewhere here. Okay, and preview it again. You just want to, it's just about timing, and you just want to match the timing. Okay,
I would see you inside.
all about timing. So a little, yes, somewhere there should work, because the blue is him running, is the end, is the motion part, as you can see. So definitely motion part started when it started to run, so that's where we
I
want it
would
to
see
be.
you inside.
Exactly. So perfect, and now we have it. We're all done, and I'm sure this is the intro you saw at the beginning, and this is the process of how it was made. I wanted to make this cut like this so that the intro wows you and then carries on from there. Okay, let's go, let's save it. All you need to do now is to click on save and exit preview and preview all from beginning. So let's do that from start. Let's just preview all from start and see how it looks, then we'll save it. Might take longer this time, but we just have to wait for it. Okay, hi, my name is David Oisamoje, and I will be your course instructor on this course. In this 2D animation and whiteboard course, I will take you through the process of creating a character, which is myself and my friend Chili, and then I will show you how to use us in this introduction video you are watching right now. So if this is something you want to know how to do, you want to know how to create engaging whiteboard and 2D animation video for your business, or for businesses and for personal use, then make sure you enroll in this course right now. I will see you inside. Simple interesting, engaging, straight to the point. 2D animation and whiteboard animation course. Not complicated, it's that easy. Once you see this on TV or you see it on anywhere, you just tend to get focused, engaged, and don't want to move or blink your eyes. You just want to watch to the end. This is how it's done. It's quite easy, it's not complicated. I'll be adding to this course in the future, so I'll be adding more effects, more scene, how to do more things, okay, so that you can spice up your animation and all, okay. So I'm happy you guys watch this one. I'm happy you guys watch this one. So let me end this particular one here.